guys, it's Pamela Salzman. I'm a cookbook author and cooking instructor with a passion for healthy, delicious food. Today I'm going to show you how to blend up a crave-worthy, high-protein peanut butter banana smoothie that tastes good and is good for you. I'm using my ZWILLING Enfinigy Personal Blender. I love this blender because it's compact and easy to store in my kitchen, and it's perfect for blending just about anything. Let me show you why. This blender holds up to 20 ounces, so you can make a pretty hearty smoothie in here. What you're gonna do for this smoothie is you're gonna take some milk, and you can use either a dairy milk or you can use a soy milk. Both of those have higher protein than some of the alternative plant milks. Then I'm gonna add in my powders. So I'm using a chocolate whey protein powder. This again has a little bit higher protein. I'm going for like a chocolate peanut butter cup vibe here, so I'm adding a little bit of peanut butter powder, and that's just gonna give me more peanut butter flavor without the extra fat, and then a little bit of cacao powder for extra chocolatey goodness. All right, now let's get to the actual peanut butter itself. I'm gonna put in a nice big dollop. Now, if you don't like peanut butter, then you don't have to do a peanut butter cup smoothie. You can do almond butter, you can even do something like a sunflower butter. But this is where some of the extra protein is gonna come in. I'm gonna add in some ice because this is just gonna dilute some of the sweetness of the whey protein powder. And then how fabulous are these Fresh and Save resealable bags? This is how I freeze all my fruit. And what I love about it is that you can take your bananas, slice them up, freeze them, and then seal up the bag, and then they don't get brown. It's just a great way to freeze a lot of extra fruit that you might have that maybe is just gonna go bad too. Okay, so that's what we're gonna put in here. I'm gonna close up this lid, and then we're gonna put this onto the base, and you're gonna put it on the smoothie setting. The Enfinigy blender comes with a handy drinking lid, which is so great because I can just pop it on, and then I have a spill-proof container to go, just like that. Now, I can take this along with me to the gym or to work, but I also love that this cup is shatterproof and breakproof. Now let me show you a great smoothie hack if you're in a rush. I do this all the time for my kids. You can prep your ingredients ahead of time and keep them together in the freezer like this. What's nice is you can buy these containers separately and they have a vacuum sealable lid. You just seal these closed with the vacuum sealable pump. And then when I'm done, it's super easy to clean thanks to this breakproof jar, which can just pop in the dishwasher. Another great benefit to these containers is that they prevent freezer burn because you've sucked all the air out. They're really such a great hack if you ever need to meal prep your smoothies. And that's how I make my favorite go-to smoothie using the ZWILLING Enfinigy blender. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Head over to zwilling.com to check out all the great blenders they have available. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the ZWILLING YouTube channel for more great recipe hacks. Thanks for watching.